Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the pop-up blocker settings in Chrome app on computer. So by default, Chrome browser is set to block all the pop-ups. However, if you want to disable it or customize it according to your needs, you can visit the Chrome settings page, which is chrome:/settings. And here in the left bar, you can go to privacy and security, and under here you will be able to go to the site settings, which will open this permissions page, and here you would be able to scroll to the content section where it will have the option to customize the pop-ups and redirect. So right now, like I said, it doesn't allow any site to send pop-ups and redirect. However, if you want to customize it and allow the sites send the pop-ups, you can just choose this option to send the pop-ups. This is not a recommended settings, so you should always keep it as a do not send, and instead what you can do is you should add a website into this section where it allows to send the pop-ups and redirects. Say suppose you trust a website or banking website, say bankofamerica.com, then you can just choose that particular website and add it under the pop-ups and redirect, so it will automatically allow the Bank of America to send you the pop-ups. So in this way you can customize the pop-ups blocker in your Chrome app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.